안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today I'm making delicious Korean beef patties called TteokGalBi. First, let's mince the onion, green onion, and garlic nice and fine. This time, I'm going to test my Ninja vegetable chopper that I got as a gift. Next, put the ground beef in a bowl and add all the seasonings such as soy sauce, cooking wine, sugar, sesame oil, black pepper, and the secret ingredient, sweet rice flour. Mix everything until it's all blended nicely. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Then form the meat into flattened patties. Heat a pan on medium heat. No oil needed because the beef will release its own juices. Place the TteokGalBi in the pan. Cook one side for about 3 minutes. Then flip and cook the other side until golden brown for about another 3 minutes. While that's cooking, quickly mix a simple sauce in a small bowl. Check the full recipe in the description below. Once the patties are browned, pour the sauce over them and let it simmer until it thickens and coats the patties. The glaze is what makes them taste amazing. If you like this video so far, please hit the like button. This TteokGalBi is great for breakfast, lunch, or dinner anytime. It's also perfect for kids' lunch boxes. I packed their lunch with the TteokGalBi, some boiled pierogies, veggies, and fruit, and the kids cleared every bit of it. My Korean accent at G shop is still selling beautifully gift-wrapped Korean vegetable seed, perfect as Christmas present. If you're shopping for Christmas gift, please stop by my shop and take a look. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.